I remember when
The big ones up above where we showed you.
Yeah.
You could punch
Got
those
too much.
tubes, so you could only go so far. So then you had to crawl in here, and they call it short punch it. You
Yeah,
go
but
up so far.
when
to
you
catch
steam
where
it like
couldn't
hell,
get
you
from-
smack.
Remember, we
And
were
that's
supposed
the
to
boiler.
shut them down before
Th-
we
yeah,
changed
see
them, and we
this?
just
Yeah.
flip them out, throw them on the
See how
deck.
big they are?
Yeah.
And hopefully you got
My goodness.
These are, I was showing you up there, blowing the tubes. You had to stand right here and it'd blow all the soot out through the top of the stack. Yes, ma'am.
Years ago, my uncle, who was a Marine, had salt pills, a bottle of salt
Uh-huh.
pills.
Yeah.
Did y'all use those
Yeah.
regularly?
Y'all had to take
Because they didn't have Gatorade
No,
or
they didn't have
Powerade,
Gatorade. We
so
had to
y'all
take
had
salt
to.
pills.
We had
It
dispensers.
just dawned on
Yeah,
me.
we had dispensers.
Yeah, we had dispensers that held them.
Dispensers,
Most
yeah.
of the time they were right by the drinking fountains.
Yeah, how much water y'all drank when y'all were working in here?
A lot.
I bet
A lot.
That
I'm
was-
so skinny.
You'd open this little thing and look into your tubes to make sure they weren't fixing to rupture. You can see your fires. Right here, you can always see your fires going.
So some of the movies where they had actors acting as sailors looking into here and look that's authentic. That really did
Yes,
happen.
ma'am. We have-
Oh, that's the torch right there.
This is yes, ma'am. This is a coal boiler. You take we had a little rag on there,
Oh wow.
and you'd light it up. And I can't remember where the doggone. Oh, here it is. Right here. You'd flip that little thing open, and you had to heat your oil had to be 140 degrees
Yeah.
before it would ignite. It was crude oil we burned.
Crude oil, yeah.
And you'd flip that open if it was a coal boiler, flip it open, and you usually this burner right here, you get a real fine tip in there to make a mist, and you light it off. And then after you'd get your steam up, your pressure up, then you'd light your other burners.
So where were y'all trained to do this?
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Right here.
They had schools. They had A school, B school, but you had to have high school. I didn't.
Most of us on the job.